Hi. So you've done 5 days of body zen. This is like the last video, which is about how do you move on after this. Because, changing your life in 5 days, that will be amazing. And I truly feel that if you do anything, you put anything that you've learned in the last 5 days into your daily ritual, it will change your life to the positive. But since, what I believe is not per se true, I would like to ask you to fill in the Google form, which is like a very short questionnaire, to measure if something has changed with 5 days ago. And how do you move on? Well, as follows. If you do every day, max 10 minutes of exercise, light exercise, and 5 minutes of breathing, so 15 minutes in total. This is enough to keep you healthy. You don't have to go to the gym. You will drop weight and things like that. Yeah, and in the description of this video or in the mail that you're getting, you will find 3 or a few examples of how you can use it. So like a light, an intermediate, and a more intense example, and you can slowly grow into more intense. If you don't have 15 minutes, I will also post a link to a YouTube playlist with 10-minute exercises where you can choose if you have 2 minutes or 5 minutes or 6 minutes or 10 minutes. Choose any of the videos. Whatever you do in the morning is good enough, as long as you do it every morning. So it does require some discipline. If you are proceeding with this, which I hope, of course, would you be so kind to fill in another form after 30 days of implementing morning exercise and all the other body zen philosophy things that you remember. If you do it for 30 days and then measure again and fill in the form, I'm really curious, how do you feel? All right, a few things more. If you subscribed for this 5 days, you will get in your mail also a cheat sheet with all the body zen philosophy and wisdom that you have seen the last 5 days. And then, I would like to say my top 3 tips are: eat healthy at home and at work, and detox outside, remember, outside with a smile. It is okay. You can have a glass of wine or whatever your detox is, a big steak or whatever. As long as you keep it 80% healthy, detox, at home and at work, 20% you can detox whatever you want without any feeling of guilt. How beautiful is that? Then another tip is breathe as slow as you can through the day. And you can use any of the breathing techniques that we've done to slow down your breathing. And then the last thing is, if you have like a morning ritual of like 10 minutes, 5, 10 or 15 minutes, it will change your life forever. If you're going to proceed after 30 days, would you be so kind to fill in the Google form again? And I wish you a great day. And if you want to know more about body zen, which can be personal coaching or like the whole 13-week course, you will find links as well. But make sure that if you have any questions, you can just contact me on my email, info@timvandervliet.com. All right, I wish you a great time and talk soon, I hope.